There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's you so, but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart. Your shit out of your love. Don't make me tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love. Hey. Love, 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 love. I do it for love. Love, love, love.
Do it for. Yeah, do it for. Do it for. I do it for the love, for the love. Yes, I do. So you don't care about the money? Well, yes, it's true.
Hey y'all, it's Brittany. I know I've been gone for like ever. It feels like a year that I've been gone. But I think it's been like a month or two that I've been absent from YouTube. There's so much going on. But I can say I am not in a hotel and I can have my backdrops back up, even though this is like the last one I had, so I probably should rip it off and just have my blank wall back here, but then it's like literally just white, so I don't know. I will figure out along the way as I'm doing it. If you hear a lot of squeakiness, like, don't know if you can hear that, it's just my chair. But anyways, I am not in a hotel anymore. I am back here in my makeup room. I'm rambling, and all I'm trying to say is we are going to use the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker. I was gonna say Jeffree Star Charles, like no, Jawbreaker Palette, which let's turn down the brightness because it's reflecting so much, but hello. It is such a pretty palette, and yes, I spent way too much money on this. Okay. Jeez. So, hair prepped, going to do my eyes, which every single time I say eyes, it sounds like ice. Using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Oh my jeez. Camera, get it together. Or video, whatever you want. God. Anyway, Soft Ochre Paint Pot Concealer thingamajigger. Yeah. So I brought you in closer. I'm only going to do one eye on camera, and then the other eye off camera. Also, I've also learned that patting the color, like packing and patting in the color, does better than if you blend out the color, because I used to just go ahead and blend it first, but if you pack it in, you get more payoff with the color too. So you want to use like a type of brush like these, which the first one is going to be a Morphe 507 and the second one will be a Morphe 506. So first one, second one, which actually, let's flip them. 507, 506. Let's make, yeah, 507, 506. You want to have something like this when you want to put like the crease color down. I'm still learning a lot of things, okay? I watch makeup, and at the same time, I don't always watch tutorials about like teaching, which I probably should do because I actually want to become a well, I mean, I guess so, but a professional makeup artist. Okay, so you pick the color up, which was Cherry Wet, and then you lay it down in your crease, which I have eyelids, so I'm actually going just very little bit above because I actually have somewhat of an eyelid, so I'm still using the packing motion, and then in a minute I will use the other brush to blend out a little bit better. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit more. Okay, and you can also use the first brush you've used for the FUCK color, and you can blend out the edges as well so that everything gets blended. It's also good to, like, here's your mirror, so look at the mirror, tilt the mirror back a little bit, open your eyelid, and then lean a little bit back, and then so that way you can kind of stretch out everything, and then you can use everything to blend also. I'm not great at blending, but the fact that like I'm learning and trying to learn things that help me along the way. I want to take a little bit of the Suck color shade, but okay, come on, camera focus. Okay, Suck, and I want to take a little bit of that and then go like right above everything. So I'm gonna use a fluffier brush so that way it's a little bit less less packed in, and pat just very little. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but right up in here, it's like the paint pot is like sticking to my little hairs, which is getting clogged up like right there. And it's like, also I have dry skin right up in here, so it's not doing all that well. So that may be why sometimes my colors don't blend out as well, because I have a lot of dry skin like right up in the eye area. So I'm going to pick up the Tarte Shape Tape. I picked up a lighter mirror so that way I can hold on to things better whenever I'm doing the cut crease. I'm got shaky hands, so it is actually kind of hard to like hold everything at one time. We're also picking up the, does not have a name, but it looks like this. No, of course the camera doesn't want to focus. No, okay, anyways, it's something that comes from Target. It's some brush that comes from Target, and it's called Point Crease. No, I really wish, oh, there we go, it's kind of focusing. No, okay, anyways, it came from Target, and it's just like a flat crease brush. I'm wanting the one from Anastasia, however it's pronounced. I want that one. I think it's like 18, the number 18, and it's like a flat concealer brush. Anyways, and the Anastasia one is a flat concealer brush, so I'm wanting that one because I think that would do a lot better. But I also have shaky hands, so it sucks because it's a lot harder to do it. You want to go, okay, so I'm going to try to explain so that it helps too. You want to go, you want your eyelids to be closed. You want to look down, not, yes, yeah, because if you look down, in case you're like moving all around, you want to look a little bit down, go a little bit above your crease, okay, and then nick it so that way, okay, that's where you want to start. So when you close your eye, I'm not doing good at this because I'm trying to look at the mirror too. Okay, right there. So when you close your eye and open your eye, that's where the above crease would start. I don't know. I'm horrible at explaining, I know. I want to get better at that so that way I can help everyone who doesn't know. Who doesn't know, like I didn't know, so I'm learning. I'm just bad at explaining. Bubblegum, which is the pink pretty color. Okay, then we're going to start with bubblegum and take that into the inner corner on a flatter but fluffy, just a little bit thickness brush. And then we're going to pack it down. You don't want it, whenever you're putting everything onto the concealer, which I was learning, you don't want to try to blend. You want to pack your color down first so you get the most payoff with your pigments. If you notice that your concealer is creasing right there, you can just tap it with your finger and it will blend out better, or like get rid of the little creases. Almost tore it. Okay, need to put that over there. I'm going to go in with Gumdrop, which is the purple color. It's so pretty. Okay, and then you want to lightly go into the other colors so that way they blend out. And then you want to bring it slightly over to the next area where you'll put down your shade, so that way when you start blending they'll become better blended. The next color I'm going to do is Soaked, which is the royal blue looking type of color. That's how it looks. Okay. It's definitely a lot bluer than what I thought it was, because every picture I'd see it would be like this deep blue, and I'm like, but it's not that deep blue when you look at it on the palette in sunlight. So don't look at this in sunlight because it's actually this blue. Which, that makes me feel so much better, because this is the exact color I was trying to get out of the palette. But whenever I first got it and I saw it in the sunlight, I was like, oh, this blue is not what I wanted, but I still like it, but it's not what I wanted, and this is definitely the blue that I wanted, so I'm happy about that. The shade I'm going to go in with is Delicious, which is the dark navy blue type of color. And then we're just going to take that on the outer corner, right up in here. I'm going to do everything off camera because my phone is trying to tell me I'm backed up on space. Then I'll come back with the finished look.
Really just forget that melody? When I popped off, then you go gave me just a little bit of la chop, baby, so cold.
I like this look. I hope you do too. It almost reminds me of the Instagram logo that has switched over. Yeah, I don't even think they had those colors before when it like first started, but either way, I love the colors. I hope you do too. Let me know if you've tried this palette, what your favorite color in the whole entire palette is. Mine is Soaked. I was like, what is the blue color? Okay, mine is Soaked, just for you that do not remember where I have brain problems. Maybe you do too. Okay, Soaked is my favorite color. The next favorite would be, I think, Cotton Candy and Gumdrop. Okay, anyways, geez, let me know what your favorite is down below in the comments. I know I've been away for too long. I'm trying to make that happen this year. Hopefully nothing comes back in the way. I'm gonna try to get back to being consistent, try to help teach y'all at the same time I'm learning myself. If there's certain palettes or certain looks or certain makeup or something of that nature that you want me to try, let me know down below, and I will try to save my money, because even though I'm a stay-at-home mom and do not make income, every now and then I'm able to do like yard sales and get money here and there. So that's every now and then. Right now I'm broke because after I got that palette, then I wasted all of my money, but it was worth it because I love that palette in two ways. I hope to be bringing at least no less than one video a week. I want it to be usually Monday, so that way I can still stay with the mommy's messy makeup Mondays, but that's why I took the Monday part off, because sometimes I might just throw a random video at least once a week. I'm trying to get back onto that schedule at least once a week. I want to get 3 videos a week where I can do like a mixture of like DIYs, crafts, stuff like that, but I don't know. Makeup is like more of my thing, even though I'm very artsy and craftsy and everything, but makeup's more of my like, it makes me feel more myself, so yeah. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications because I never know when I'm gonna post, so you might not either, and you might want to see me. I've had a few people said, hey, what's going on? Don't leave us. You can take a break, just don't leave us. So thank you for those people who have said that, because I always get in my head sometimes and I'm like, I know it's been a while, but maybe no one wants to see me. Maybe I shouldn't come back. I don't know what to do, but I really like doing makeup and just being able to edit and come on here. I just hate that my phone never has enough storage, but I'm working and I'm trying on it, and I'm trying to push my phone to like hold the most storage at this moment, because it's been telling me through this whole entire video that it's clogged with storage, and I'm just like, a few minutes of video, then stop, a few minutes of video. Oh. Anyways, I will see you on my next video, at least once a week. I'm hoping to get more out, because once I start going, then I'm gonna get it on a roll and come back. But I don't know, and I can't promise. But eventually I'm just gonna do this channel, like crafts and stuff, and like my life and mudding stuff and everything. And then have my other channel strictly beauty stuff, but I still want to post some beauty stuff on here, just for the simple fact, like reviews. I've been getting different products to review, as I'm talking about on the side, but I've been getting different products to review, and I will eventually show y'all the different things that I get to review. So I got plans, I just have to get there first. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. It's probably like a 30-minute video, sorry about it, but it's been a long time since I've been back. I'm kind of rusty at doing makeup, getting in the game again, and I'm just happy to be back. So hopefully y'all have a wonderful week and weekend, and all goes well. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up, babe.